Conflict is inevitable in any complex system. However, in most relationships, conflict is handled with the efficiency of a house fire. You rush to extinguish the heat rather than analyzing why the system ignited. Today, we practice conflict engineering. When a breakdown occurs, you must stop viewing your partner as an adversary and start viewing them as a co-engineer of the system. The objective of any conflict is not to win. The objective is to locate the mechanical failure in your interaction architecture. First, isolate the variable. Was it a communication error, a misalignment of expectations, or a resource bottleneck? Second, execute a root cause analysis. Avoid blame, as blame is emotional noise that provides no data for future optimization. Third, implement a process correction. This is a mutually agreed upon protocol change designed to ensure that the same failure cannot occur again. If you simply argue and move on, you are ignoring the technical flaw, ensuring that your system will crash again at the exact same point. High-performance partnerships are not defined by the absence of conflict. They are defined by the speed and precision with which they engineer a solution. Stop fighting to be right. Start engineering to be better. Subscribe for weekly updates on structural relationship architecture.